Hey guys, I'm just going to show you how I make my chicken salad, and I'm going to do a healthier version than like mayonnaise or I don't know. I think that's what people typically put in chicken salad, which is amazing, but this is just what I've been doing lately and it's worked for us. So I kind of got most of the stuff out real quick, but I need to get a bowl. So I'll just make one of these for like the whole week, and me and Jake will eat it just for lunch every day, or like even as a snack. So first, I'm gonna put a cup of, this is just plain Greek yogurt. It's flavored. The first time I made this, I did make it with vanilla, and no wonder my sister didn't like it. She doesn't even like yogurt anyways, but it's not really that great with vanilla yogurt, but you can do it. So I'm just going to get a cup of this yogurt and put it in the bowl. I'm almost out of this one, so I had to buy a new one yesterday. So it's probably yeah, we're not quite at a cup, so let me go to this one. This is a cake spatula, but it was what was in this drawer, so that's what I'm using. Okay, so about a cup of yogurt will go into the bowl. I don't know if y'all can see the bowl. I don't think you can. Instagram can, Facebook cannot. There's the yogurt. And then I get these, this week we're being really lazy, and they have this chicken at Costco, which is a rotisserie chicken, and it's already cut up, and I don't know if any of you have tried this, but I really like it's easy to throw in like casseroles or just like kind of things like this. So this is about the size of the bowl that I use for this, because it's not a lot of it, but it'll get you like, I don't know, 3 to 5 days depending on who's eating it. Aniston doesn't eat this. And then I'll take 2, so about, I don't know, like a pound of chicken probably, so half of this, because this is 2 pounds, and shredded chicken. So like if I do breast, I'll just do like, the breasts are obviously a lot bigger than what comes in a rotisserie chicken, so if I just do the breast, I'll do 2 chicken breasts and then shred them. And if you've ever used your stand mixer to shred chicken, the attachment that's, you know, kind of like, not the actual whisk, but the other one, that works really good to shred chicken. So 2 celery sticks. I'm gonna chop these up really quick. I know it's scary that I'm chopping stuff up on camera. I don't know why y'all, I'm gonna scoot this down so y'all can kind of see. Okay, no, Instagram can see here, but Facebook cannot. Has anyone ever made a chicken salad like this before? Hey, Courtney. Missed out lunch over here. So just really thin. What if I like really chopped my finger off here live? And then half everything kind of really small. I've also done an avocado and egg salad, and that's pretty good too, but it doesn't last as long, so I don't really want to be in the kitchen all the time. Okay, so this will go in the bowl. And then a cup of these just like red grapes, and I normally just like cut them in half. And I can't see right here, sorry. Hey, Tamara. Okay. You can't get the whole thing. So this is just half. You're just taking these grapes, cutting them in half. Sometimes I do them like in quads, so I'll, you know, do half this way and then half again, but just enough to fill up this cup again. I actually can't remember if I do a cup or half a cup, but I'm just gonna do a cup today. Whenever I do eat this also, I do like a cup each serving. So if I do this as a snack, like for Jake, sometimes I'll make him a sandwich because it's easier for him to eat. And then for me, I like to put it in a little Tupperware bowl and do like just a cup of it and just eat it with a spoon or a fork, whatever, because that's good too. Sorry, just reading comments over here. And this also works with the 21-day fix diet, and I'm not sure exactly what the numbers are on the containers, but I think it's like, I don't think there's any yellows in here. So there might be like 0.5 of a fruit in a serving, 0.5 of a veggie, probably way less of a veggie actually, because that's not that much celery. I don't even actually know if the celery counts. The protein's doubled though because it's yogurt and chicken. Does anyone do 21-day fix? Oops. Hey, Cassie. See my messages, so I'm sorry that I'm not texting back. I really think I normally just do half a cup of grapes because this looks like a lot. I think I'm just going to stop right there. So it's like like 3/4 a cup of grape. And then I'm going to put the chicken in there. So I already used half of this for something else. I'm making chicken salad. This is a healthier chicken salad. And so far I've done 1 cup of, sorry if this grosses any of you out, 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 3/4 a cup of sliced grapes, 2 celery stalks, and about 2 pounds of chicken. And this chicken is not very shredded, so I'm just going to cut it in kind of cubes because that's just easier for me right now. And then just throw it in there. And it might not be exactly 2 pounds, but you know. And then after this, I normally just stick salt and pepper and like some poultry seasoning. Except for I've been putting that, what is it called? Everything but the bagel sesame. Has anyone tried that? It's really good. I feel like I put that on a lot of things. And I know this seems like a lot of chicken for the amount of yogurt that's in here, but it really, you don't really need that much yogurt. So it's not going to be like a creamy chicken salad. It's going to be like super creamy, which I feel like that's just really messy anyways. This probably would have been faster if I would have had this cut up already, but I was scared that Aniston would wake up and I wouldn't be able to do it because she's literally sitting on the counter with me while I'm doing this normally. Some of those chicken pieces are little. I'm just going to eyeball it. So I'm going to kind of stir this up so you can see kind of what it looks like. I don't know where a spoon is. I mean, obviously I know where spoons in my house. I just don't want to go get one. Now, we have 2 islands in our kitchen, and sometimes I wish that we just had one because I constantly run around this middle thing because all of our silverware and sink is over there and the stove is over here. So I don't know if any of y'all have 2 islands and you like it, but I don't think I'm a fan. Sometimes, like when we have people over and we have food setting out, it is nice so we can, you know, have a table for serving. But other than that, and I do like when we bake cookies and stuff, it's fun to, I don't know. I guess I do like it. It's just sometimes it's annoying. Okay, see, so it's pretty, the yogurt got pretty much on all of it. So I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of this chicken in there so I just don't waste it. And then I'm actually going to cut up a little bit more grapes. So I think it was 1 cup of grapes. And I'll put in the comments once I'm done the actual recipe or like the amount, whatever, that I end up doing. Sometimes I want to put apples in here too. I think that would be good, but they always turn, you know, so then you have to eat it really quick. Does anyone have any tips for apples? So I guess you could put like lemon. Isn't that what you put on apples to help them from stop turning? Okay, and a few more grapes. And in the back here, I am boiling in a little liquid smoke. What is liquid smoke? I've never heard of that. That's supposed to help them stop turning, or it's just yummy, or what? So Instagram, I'm responding out loud to Facebook comments also, so that's why you're not seeing. I don't know if y'all can even see the comments too. I'm not sure. So back behind me, I'm boiling water because I'm making, I do like a pasta dish also because I do not do any kind of no carb diet because I would die. So I do whole wheat noodles or, you know, pasta, and then I'll do squash, zucchini, sometimes tomatoes, but we're not huge tomato eaters. I try to like them, but I'm growing them in my garden this year, so maybe I'll like them because I grew them. Who knows? I'm not a super picky eater, so I don't understand why I do not like tomatoes because everyone likes them so much. Anyways, so squash, zucchini, olive oil, and then like some oregano and chicken, and it's really good. So it's not like a saucy pasta. It's just kind of to get your veggies, carbs, and protein in. Okay, so you're just going to stick salt, pepper. I'm going to go grab a paper towel. I'll show you the 3 seasonings that I'm putting in here, and then I'll go ahead and snap off. Pepper. I use this pink salt because it's supposed to be better for you. And I put this in there too. I think this would be really good with cumin also. Maybe some oregano too. I don't know. I really like it. Y'all should try it. Let me know if you do try it. Comment under here if you get to try it. Post pictures. Let me know. Tag me. And also, thanks for watching. I hope y'all have a good day. Bye.